Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how to add your first asset. This is where everything you've set up so far comes together. Let's jump in. Click to create a new asset. Start by entering a name, for example, Laptop 1. Then select the model and asset type you created. Choose the folder where this asset belongs. Now, enter the serial number. You can type this manually or use a barcode or RFID scanner if you have one connected. You can also add a description if needed. If you're using asset tags, you can enter or scan those here as well. There's also an option for a secondary tag if your organization uses one. If you're using the mobile app, you can even use your phone's camera to capture this information. Once everything is filled out, click Save. And just like that, your first asset is now in the system. In the next video, we'll look at how to import assets in bulk.